Hi, it's Matt from Go Green Autos. So this video is just about removing the rear seat from a Renault Zoe. So obviously you can drop the rear seat like that, still get a bit of a lip. It's not particularly useful. It's very easy though to remove that rear seat cushion. So I'll quickly show you how you do that. To remove the back seat rest, you just get a screwdriver and you put it under this cam and just swivel the cam out of the way, and then you see you can just lift the seat up and remove it. So with the seat back removed, there's actually a lot of space in the Zoe, but what a lot of people do is also lift that seat cushion out. It's very easy to lift it up, but it would be a mistake to remove that because there's 3 plastic clips that sit at the front that hold it down, and they break when you remove it. It's almost impossible to lift that cushion without snapping the clips. And once they've broken, while the cushion will sit back down, it wobbles around a bit. It doesn't sort of clip down properly, and it would be a mistake to remove it, and it doesn't actually gain you much space. So when you remove the seat cushion, it does actually break these clips. There's 3 of them along there. They are sort of single-use clips. It's very difficult to remove the cushion without breaking the clips. So this particular car, the cushion had to be removed, and I'm replacing the clips. So the part number for those is 883041628R. They cost about £5–6 each from Renault, and you obviously need 3 of them. So really the point of this video is to say, while you can remove the base cushion, it's not really worth it because it does break the clips. So certainly remove the back cushion, that's no problem and very easy. You don't really gain much by removing that base cushion. So looking from the back, as you can see, not really much space has been gained, so you're better off leaving that cushion alone. So looking at these clips, why they need replacing is that lug down inside the middle. That's what breaks off and holds the seat cushion in. Fitting the back seat rest back in is very easy. Just obviously get your seat belt on the right side of the seat when you drop it down. You don't need a tool to fit it back in. Just line the shaft or the bolt up with the cam, and when you push the seat back in, the cam will sort of turn over and lock it in. You could get a screwdriver in there and pull it round. Actually, I can do that with my finger and slide the cam back over a little bit more, but that's it. Seat's back in.